this tutorial. Today I did a model of the 4-point bending of a gravity beam. The gravity beam from this paper is a term coined in this investigation. This paper says, these beams are designed based on the gravity. The topology of the beam is designed based on the gravity and the gravity load over that, something like this. This is the gravity beam, and we can request here compress the tension damage. See the tension damage here. Let me use this frame by frame. The damage happen now here, and these are the cracking. You can see the tensile cracking here, and the deformation also. Let me check the compressive damage also. The compressive damage of the gravity beam, you can see the compressive, it is not too much, the compressive damage, but you can see here the stiffness degradation here. The stiffness degradation also, it is the 90%, or the plastic strain. You can see the plastic strain happen at the boundary zone and the load locations. Also the displacement, the stress. We can request pressure, we can request S2 to everything for this gravity beam, and we use a way to model this beam in the part module. Also you can use a CAD software to draw it exactly. Also we have the reaction force for this, and this is the reaction force displacement for this beam, and this is the maximum force capacity for it. Also we can request stress, strain, anything for this beam. Gravity beam, this is a new type of beam that paper says about it. You can see it here. This is a paper about this, and this is the introduction, and after that we have something about the modeling topology here. You can see it is the model. You can make it thicker here in the tutorial, we explain it. Also it use CDP on a CDP material model for this. So if you need to model the concrete beam as a gravity beam, you can come to our website here, www.abaqusfm.com. Find the English tutorial, click on the title, then you will have explanations here, the part and geometry, the assembly, interaction, load, material, and these are the result as figures here. You can provide CAINP English video file step by step, and also the paper reference for the material, and the cost for that is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard. Before that, send me an email to this address. Then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Also we have a full package here. The full package, you can provide it here. Can test 430 tutorial about everything. Explosion with all method, high and low velocity with all method for many materials here, welding, biomechanics, forming, crack, soil, CFD, fluid structure, thermal analysis or thermal couple structural analysis, cyclic loading, masonry, discrete element, pull-out test, composite, concrete, steel structure, seismic, electromagnetic, everything in this package. If you need this exceptional package, also send me an email to this address. Thank you for your attention.